In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Linktree page. If you want people to reach you without hunting through multiple links, this is a simple and effective way to put your key details front and center. Start by opening your Linktree admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Links. This is where every block you add to your page lives, and it's also where we'll create the contact section. Next, select Add. You'll see options for different link types. In the search or list, type or look for contact details. Then click Contact Details to add that block to your page. This creates a dedicated card designed to present your information clearly so visitors immediately know how to get in touch. Give your contact block a clear title. Think about what will make sense to your audience, such as Contact Me, Get in Touch, or Work with Me. Keep it concise and action-oriented so it stands out among your other links. Now, open link settings for this new block. Inside, find the Contact Details section. This is where you'll fill in the fields that will appear on your link tree. Add your name as you want it displayed. If it's relevant, include your occupation or role so people understand who they're contacting. Provide an email that you actively monitor. For phone, only include a number you're comfortable making visible. If you prefer email-only inquiries, you can leave this blank. Add an address if you meet clients in person or have a business location. If not, skip it to keep things tidy. Finally, enter your opening hours if you have set availability. Clear hours help set expectations and can reduce back and forth messages. Remember, each field is optional. Only include what supports your goals and maintains your privacy. As you fill these in, keep your formatting consistent. Use a professional display name, standard phone formatting for your region, and a short, readable address. For hours, simple ranges like Mon-Free, 9 to 5 work well. If you receive a lot of messages, consider noting typical response times in the title or within your hours to help manage expectations. To finish, click Layout. Choose the visual style that best matches your page's look and makes your details easy to skim. A clean layout with strong contrast improves readability, especially on mobile. Once you're happy with the presentation, your contact block is ready. Visitors can now quickly find the best way to reach you right from your link tree.